On my previous video, I showed you how I accidentally dropped my drone into the river. It was submerged for about 10 seconds and I had to jump into the river to retrieve it. And now, it's time to fix it. So when I got home, I disassembled the drone completely. The first thing I did was unscrewing everything from the frame. So motors, flight controller, and everything. I organized the screws that I was removing in different categories. Then I disassembled the O3 Air Unit and I could see that there was some water inside, even though you will not be able to appreciate it on the video. Then I unscrewed all 4 motors. And I covered the battery in rice, since it had some water inside. And I also put all the 4 motors on top of the rice, so any remaining moisture would be absorbed. After leaving the drone to dry over 1 week, it was time for the assembly. I started with the DJI O3 Air Unit. I simply put everything back together and screw it again. Then I attached the motors back again to the frame. Then I attached the flight controller and connected the motors to it. And the last thing to do was to connect the O3 Air Unit back to the flight controller. So after connecting the battery and checking that the motors were running fine, it was time for testing it out on the field. So I took my drone to this waterfall. I wanted to do a dive, but when I was connecting the drone to it, I found out that my controller was not updated and I could not fly my drone, so I went back home and fixed it. Then I went to a different location. And this time, I was able to fly my drone, but I was going about 80% throttle and it was not flying properly, because the blades were not properly mounted. So what I did was, I flipped the blades and it was time to testing it for the 3rd time. I asked my friend Carlos to record this bit, and as you can see he was having a good time. And I put the blades wrong again, so I fixed it back again and it was time for a nice flight. I hope you enjoy it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. And this is it for today. See you all in the clouds.